Hey guys, welcome back to groovyPost, and today I'm going to show you how to move columns in Excel. The first option is you can click the column you want to move, and then you'll get a four-headed arrow, and what that tells us is we can hold left click and drag where we want to move it. If we hold left click and drag it into a column that already has data in it, we're going to get this pop-up that tells us there's already data in this column and that we're going to have to replace this data with the data that we wanted to move. It's up to you if you want to replace it. If not, hit cancel or the X. Another option is you hold Control before hitting left click, and you're going to get this plus pointer. And what that tells us is that it's going to copy that column we want to move into another column. So now we have two of the same column. Another option is you select the column you want to move, you hold down Shift, and then move the column. And what this is going to do is it's going to put it in between columns instead of replacing them. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Like and subscribe as always, and we'll see you in the next video.